Okay, so vectors extension. So this is the first question you've got on vectors extension, and the first thing it's asking you about is it wants you to find out the value of k. So we're finding OP. Now p isn't actually on here at the moment, but it tells you that p is a ratio of 1 to 3 down on here. So if this was in 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, so p will be there. Okay, so that is going to be a quarter, and that 3/4. Okay, everybody happy with that? I hope that makes sense. Now we've done that because we know there's 4 parts, so this ratio of 1 to 3 is really a quarter to 3/4. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to know that vector. Because we're interested in OP, we're interested in this journey up here. No, I've gone to the wrong point, but you know on where we're aiming to be. Okay, so we're doing this journey here. Right, now because we know that journey exists and we know that journey works, we've got to work out what it is. So the first thing I'm going to do is work out what this journey here is from A to B. So our journey from A to B. Okay, now I don't know this journey yet, I just know that that's a quarter of it and that's 3/4 of it. So I need to work out how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the journeys I do know. So to get from A to B, I'm going to imagine this road's blocked, so I'm going to come down here, so it's A in the wrong direction, so minus A, and then along here, B in the right direction, so that's positive B. So I know that this here is now minus A plus B. Right? Now, what we also know is we know that this bit here from A to P, okay, so A to P is a quarter of this journey. So it's a quarter of minus A plus B. Everybody happy with that so far? I hope that makes sense. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually do the journey from O to P, okay, which is actually what it's asked us to do. So O to P. Again, I don't know this red journey, so I'm going to take this journey here that I do know, which is A, and I'm going to take this journey here that I do know, that is what's above here. So I know I'm going to do that plus that. Okay, now I know I'm running out of paper, so I'm going to do it here so you can see the rest of it. I'm going to expand this bracket, so I've now got that OP is A, and it's a quarter of minus A, so it's actually going to be minus 1/4 A, and then that's a plus, so plus 1/4 B. Now these bits here are both A, so that's one lot of A, take away a quarter, so that's 3/4 of A plus 1/4 of B, and that's my journey from O to P. Okay, now it wants us to put it in the form of this, so it wants us to go to some number beforehand and 3 and B. Now that B really has a 1, and if you think about that 1, I've got 3 there, 1 there, which is what I want to see. You don't really need the 1, but I'm going to write it just so you can see it. So the bit that needs to come outside is this denominator of 4. So that denominator is actually a quarter, because we think about it as being 1 part. So that means that K is a quarter. I hope that helps.